Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Los Angeles, local, and long-distance movers near me. If you need a Los Angeles moving company to ship your belongings, whether the destination is a few blocks away or across the country, you can rest assured that the 3 Movers will deliver everything safely in time and at an affordable price. If you need more information, we are happy to provide all the details. When it comes to long-distance moving, here is what makes us stand out amongst other Los Angeles moving companies. Reliable time estimates, delivery in perfect conditions, and efficient communication. Even when moving in the same state or even a few blocks away, it doesn't mean that it's a simple DIY job. We handle local moves in a matter of hours at an affordable price. Hiring us for your local move saves you time and money, and you can just enjoy your lunch while we deliver your stuff safely and fast. We at 3 Movers know that each client has particular needs. Our service is impeccable because we take the time to assess what's needed to make the moves perfectly smooth. From moving your studio apartment to relocating your whole company, we can handle it with professionalism. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Los Angeles moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.